Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. The flower or Chandni flower plant, also known as the pinwheel flower, is a majestic evergreen flowering shrub that is indigenous to South Asia, Southeast Asia and China. In English, it is also known as crepe jasmine. It is planted as a house or greenhouse plant in climates where it is not hardy because of its lovely flowers and foliage. When damaged, the stem releases a milky latex, giving rise to the name milk flower. Do you know there are different kinds of Chandni flower plant like single Chandni, double Chandni, mini Chandni? There is a pink variety, a Chinese variety and also a variegated Chandni. Before also we had given videos of this Chandni plant, but in this video I will tell you how to do its winter cure. In winter, this Chandni plant goes in dormancy period. In this period, you will be able to notice that the leaves will turn smaller than usual, the color will be pale green or it will turn brown or yellow, or sometimes in bad conditions it may shed off. Now you can see that the tip is brown. The cause of this is overwatering or underwatering. If you start to notice that your leaves are turning pale green, then there is nothing to worry about, as it is a sign that it's going in dormancy period. But sometimes this pale green color may be due to nutrition deficiency. Also, in dormancy period, it is a rule that you should not give much fertilizer to your plants. So now you can see how my mom is taking care of the plants. First, my mom is digging the soil and giving a little amount of homemade kitchen waste compost. It will be enough for the whole dormancy period, and as it's organic kitchen waste compost, it is a slow releasing fertilizer. And this kitchen waste compost will fulfill its micro and macronutrients. If you don't like using kitchen waste compost or don't have kitchen waste compost, you can also use the leaf compost or leaf compost. Our Chandni plants needs plenty of direct sunlight. So make sure to keep your pot in such a place that it gets plenty of direct sunlight. Chandni plant is an acid-loving plant. So if you give citrus-free fertilizer to your plant, it will maintain the acidic pH level. You must care about the mulch after fertilizing your plant in this dormancy period. Plants in pots will dry out much more quickly and require more frequent watering. Be careful about the watering in winter. Now I'll tell you about the pests and diseases about the Chandni plant. Normally in Chandni plant there is not a lot of pest attacks. But still, if there is any kind of dead, damaged or brown leaves, then make sure to remove it. And in winter, lots of pollutants flow around in the air, so the leaves tend to get very dirty. So make sure to time wash the leaves. And this dormancy period will go until spring, so we must wait very patiently till then. And in early summer, you will be able to notice that your plant will be very grainy, healthy and very bushy. And if you wish to, in this time you can spray the bioenzyme or neem oil in the foliage. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.